Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware. You need the Xbox One Kinect V2 plus the official Kinect adapter for Windows and a PC with USB 3.0. Once done, install Microsoft Kinect SDK 2.0 so Windows gets the right drivers. This SDK gives libraries and the runtime your apps will use. Make sure your PC's USB 3.0 host controller drivers are updated. Faulty USB drivers are the most common blocker. Connect the Kinect's power and USB to the adapter, but don't plug into PC yet. Now you physically connect. Attach the adapter to the Kinect, plug in the power brick and then the USB 3.0 cable into your PC. Once connected, open Device Manager and confirm the Kinect shows under Kinect Sensor Devices. No yellow warnings means drivers loaded correctly. Next, run the SDK's Sensor Explorer sample to see color, depth, and body tracking streams in real time. This proves communication. If Sensor Explorer works, your hardware and drivers are configured, and you can move to development or app integration. To finish, integrate Kinect into your workflow by using the Kinect SDK APIs in C#, C++, or Unity. Sensor Explorer shows expected data streams you'll consume. If something fails, first try a different USB 3.0 port and confirm the Kinect's power LED is on. Many problems come from power or non-compliant USB ports. Reinstall the Kinect SDK and USB 3.0 drivers if needed, and always reboot after driver changes. One key troubleshooting tip: a working Sensor Explorer means hardware is fine. Focus on app-level permissions and code next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.